ever thought of combining apple cider vinegar, lemon, and honey? This tea helps reduce inflammation and has antibacterial and relaxing properties. Did you know that? For many health professionals, the intestine is like a second brain. We even talked about it on our channel. Did you watch the video? The intestine is essential for the good functioning of our body. If it is compromised, the whole body will feel its negative impacts. For example, when the intestine is inflamed and intoxicated, it causes weight gain. To clean your body and get rid of these issues, detox teas are a good alternative. So let's check out this infusion that helps eliminate toxins and clean the intestine. The benefits of this apple cider vinegar, lemon, and honey infusion are: cleans the body, favors weight loss, improves digestion, strengthens the immune system. The 3 ingredients of this infusion have antibacterial and relaxing properties that help reduce inflammation. For example, honey helps improve gut flora, preventing constipation. It also has probiotics and antibacterial properties that help alleviate diarrhea and the pain caused by ulcers. Lemon. Because it is rich in citric acid, lemon stimulates the digestive system. It helps eliminate toxins and any substances that weren't properly digested and remained in the colon walls. Lemon also stimulates the liver to produce bile, keeping the foods moving smoothly through the gastrointestinal tract. Apple cider vinegar contains antibiotic properties and is rich in pectin, which helps calm down the intestinal spasms and alleviates diarrhea. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Write down the ingredients: 6.75 ounces hot water, 1 teaspoon honey, juice of half a lemon, freshly squeezed, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. Directions: mix all ingredients until smooth. The best way of getting all of the benefits is drinking the tea on an empty stomach 20 minutes before your breakfast. You can also drink it at other times. Still, don't drink more than 3 doses a day. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.